The Clarendon police are investigating a case of suspected suicide involving a patient at the Jamaican hospital yesterday. Hospital CEO Eugenia Clark-James has sent condolences to the family members, noting that hospital staff are receiving counseling over the incident.
I can confirm that a 72-year-old male who was admitted to the Jamaican hospital on October 8 was found hanging in the male bathroom on the male medical ward, and he was found by one of our staff members.
Mr. Simpson, whom sources say appeared jovial up to last night, was being treated for severe migraine and hypertension. If you or someone you know is struggling with their mental wellness, please contact the Mental Health and Suicide Prevention Helpline at 888-NEW-LIFE. That's 888-639-5433.